It's a mind hack process that I teach my mastermind people, using which you will instantly have access to your peaceful mind.
Oh, thanks for this awesome
Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
After practicing a lot about a process that I teach called the king of your mind, using which you can feel more peaceful in a matter of 3 minutes. 3 minutes, not 30, not 1 hour. It's a mind hack process that I teach my mastermind people, using which you will instantly have access to your peaceful mind. So by the time after 3 minutes you come back from it, the world will feel more joyous, more happy, and you will actually respond to the world in a better way. The reason I share that with you is you, on a regular basis, you need tools and processes that you can use in order to feel more powerful, feel more peaceful, to be more happy. Because you need that. If you are just like many of the clients that I work with, you're busy, have a lot of things going on, you have more work than time, you have family to take care of, and mind break is very, very crucial for you. So if you're not a mastermind client for me, which is absolutely fine, and my mastermind is not for everybody. I'm very, very protective about who I take into that group, into that program. I want you to come up with a process for yourself, something you can do, even if it's for 15 minutes or 15 seconds, even if it's for 1 minute, 5 minutes, whatever, something you can do to just recharge yourself. Just like you recharge your car, and you recharge yourself with food, you need some tools every day to recharge your mind with, your feeling with. It's like a mental shower. It's like a shower of your feeling. So you feel more energized. So do that and you will feel more powerful every single day. That is my tip for you. My name is Bishal Sarkar, always reminding you that public speaking is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
I'm a man on a